Hello, welcome to a little bitty haul where I show you what I got at Hallmark store. I didn't know that Hallmark sells fidgets. I'm really into fidgets. So, this is a little bag. And here's what I got. I got one of these little clicky dumplings. So And then I got another clicky thingy. It's like a little, like keyboard buttons. This one says mom on it, and I am a mom, so, and I love purple too, so I also like the combination of purple and green. That's how those sound. Oh my goodness, I love that sound. I've heard of clickies. Um, I think I've heard that they sell them at Five Below, but I haven't seen them so far. But I would like to try clickies. I think they're like these little button thingies, but you like snap them together. Um, kind of like to make your own pattern. So those would be cool. But for now, this is what I have. I didn't have one of these before. I wish I had. I've heard some people have I've heard some people's keyboards sound really nice, but I don't have a keyboard that, in my opinion, sounds that nice. So I'm glad I could just click this and hear that nice sound. Hallmark also had a multicolored one. It was like red, blue, green, and yellow, something like that. Maybe I'll get it next time, but this one I bought it a little bit after Mother's Day, so I figured they'd probably stop selling this pretty soon. Another thing I got is this little tiny, I forgot what they're called, but they're like, I think, little 3D printed um, little animals and little characters and things. And I really liked this one. I cannot get in the camera very well, but I really liked this one. I like how it sounds. You like kind of move it around in your hand. So yeah, I got a sloth. They had other characters like little unicorns and little dogs, and I think I saw some little dragons that I probably want to get next time. But this is the one I got for this time. So the last thing I got, I didn't get it at Hallmark. I got it the same day that I went to Hallmark, but this one I got it at Barnes and Noble. It is some page clips. So like an alternative to bookmarks. Let's open it up. I love. This is like one of the kind of little ways that also I like to stim is like opening it up and closing it. I will use it for my books though, but I do like to open it and close it. It's kind of hard to get open. So there's this one. I really need to find a better setup for where to put my camera so that I stay in the in the picture. There you go. So this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Really cute. And well, this is the first one I showed you. Alright, so that's all I got for that little haul. I will show you guys more of my fidgets next time. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.